I started my culinary career as a dishwasher when I was 13 years old in a little place called the Mustard Seed in Collingswood, New Jersey. And I worked with a French chef, and I was enamored with it. I loved every bit of it. And I was 13 years old. I was doing this after school, and I couldn't wait to finish school to go and learn how to cook. And what I had learned there was how to make the simplest of ingredients ethereal. We're very passionate about what we do. The one thing that we're very proud of is that everything's made from scratch. When we're putting together a dish, first we're thinking about balance in a dish. Does it have the right amount of salt, sweetness, acid, bitterness? How are we going to plate the dish? So we'll have a diver scallop that's pan-seared, served over a truffle and sweet English pea puree with an elderberry coulis. We do a sous vide chicken fried lobster tail and serve that over a corn and scallion Belgian waffle, finished with house-made lavender honey. The black sea bass is pan-seared till it's crispy. It's served over top of a lobster mushroom that is roasted and finished with a Dijon beurre blanc. We do amuse-bouche every night, and that is homage to Georges Perret at Le Bec Fin. We did amuse-bouche there every night, and it's a way of welcoming the guest to the restaurant from the chef. So it's a complimentary hors d'oeuvre that goes out every night, and every night it's different. Chris's Jazz Cafe is the longest continuously running jazz club in the history of Philadelphia. And when people come to Philadelphia, they seek us out knowing that they're going to come to a club that has some of the best jazz that you can hear anywhere in the world. Count Basie's Orchestra, Junior Mance, Pat Martino, Joey DeFrancesco, the Bad Plus. We've been really blessed with the amount of acts that have come through our doors. What I want the guests to feel when they walk in the door is that they're walking into a home, not a restaurant. They're greeted immediately, warm, friendly faces. They find a cozy seat to relax, enjoy, watch the show, have food that they were not expecting. Chris's Jazz Cafe is art. It's all about art. It's the art of music. It's the culinary arts, the art of hospitality.